So as I told you, classes are just generators of objects. So we need now to create objects of this class. How can we create objects of this class? Well, to create our first object, we say car outside the class. Make sure that you are here. You are touching the starting line here. This means that you are outside the class. If you are inside here, if you type your code here, it's not gonna work because this is inside the class. A generator, a class creates the object outside the class. So here it must be outside. So this is gonna create our first object, and then we can store that in car1. So car1 is gonna be equal to car. And we can print, let me here say print car1. Let me save, and then let me now run my script. So how can we run our script? To run your Python script, again, you need to save. You click on file and then save, and then click on view and then terminal, and then just type Python or Python 3 and then main.py, and then hit enter. And as you can see here, it's gonna print this. What is this? This is the object location. Because I'm printing, let me show you that. Because I'm printing here the object itself. And each object is assigned a location in your memory, in your PC's memory. So how can you know the properties that this car has? So in order to do that, you need to call the properties. So how can you call the properties? How can you get the color and the speed of this car? To do that, you just need to say car1.color, and that's it. Now it's gonna print out the color. Let me save and run my script one more time. So here, if I run my script, guess what? I'm gonna get red because I printed out the color of the car. If you want to print the speed, you would say here print, and then car1, and then that speed. And this is gonna print out the speed. Let me save and let me run my script. And as you can see, it's gonna print the red, the color, and then 100, which is the speed.